I'm very proud to be here in Newport today to talk to 1950s women who had their pension taken away from them by the coalition Conservative Liberal government. The Tory government hasn't been listening to them. Their pleas are fallen on deaf ears. A whole generation of women have been discarded by this government and thought that they would go away. Well, they didn't go away, but the UK Labour government will listen to them. And from the day that we get into office, we will make sure that 1950s women get paid for what they deserve. They deserve to get money that will help them to continue their lives and to repay them for the damage that's been done to them by previous governments. The WASPI women, 1950s women, all the groups out there will walk forward, head held high, and we will walk with them to make sure that we give them what they deserve. December the 12th, vote Labour.